Hello everyone, welcome to Code 1. In this video we are going to discuss about the no such frame exception in Selenium. So let's understand when we get this exception while we're working with automation. So no such exception occurs when Selenium tries to switch to a frame that does not exist or had been removed from the DOM. DOM means document object model. So let's say I'm going to use or I'm going to switch or I'm going to interact with any frame that is not available on the page. In that case, we will get this no such frame exception. Okay, and let's take a real-time scenario where like open a web page that contains an iframe, try to switch to an incorrect frame name or index, and then you will get this information. For testing purpose, I'm going to use this URL. Here I'm going to copy this and we are going to interact with the iframe that is not like it has an iframe, but we will create some invalid iframe. So let's say we have a XPath here, iframe name as invalid frame, and then you will see you will not get this, right? So in this case we will get this exception, and let me dive to the okay, it's working here. So I already have this script. To save the time, I'm going to run this and I will explain you what I'm doing here. So let me copy this and it's working slow, man. Okay, go to web.java and it has a basic setup, and let me quickly copy it here. Okay, so what we are doing, this is the basic setup: creating object of Chrome driver, maximize the browser, navigate to this URL, and then we are trying to switch on a iframe. So how will we switch or how will we interact with iframe? If you know that driver does switch to frame, and we'll pass the name of the frame, ID of the frame, XPath of the frame, and here we are going to try to interact with a iframe that is not a valid. Let's say what is the valid iframe here. And if you find here, let me check. If I search here as a iframe, yeah, this is the iframe we have, and we are calling iframe by its name, and you can see this is the ID we have, and the leaderboard main ID. Under this division we have iframe. So we have to get the like path of this iframe, and then we can interact with this iframe. But we are just adding some random number, some random ID. And if you see what are the different methods we have here into the iframe that we can interact, so we can say switch to frame, and we can pass the locator. Okay, we can pass the name or ID or the bev element. We can also pass the frame element. So these are the default methods, and let's say I'm just passing the random numbers and see what happening now. And we are to print it, we are using print stack to getting exact message. What we can say, we can again use e.className.get simple name of this exception, so it will display. So let's quickly run it. I just run as, and it's a Java application. Let's open the browser, maximize it, navigate to there and check the console. I guess it's waiting for a while. Yeah, so it's waiting, and execution is not done yet, it's in process. You can see here. Yeah, it tried to find over there no frame element by this ID. You can see the exception we are getting here, no such frame exception. So when we get this thing, when we are trying to access a frame that is not available into our document object model in means in DOM, we are when we get the no such frame exception when we are trying to access a frame that is not available into current DOM. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe Code 1, and for more video related to the exceptions or Selenium or automation, you can subscribe Code 1. You will get more content over there. Thank you.